Now this latch, or night latch as some people call it, has a fault on it. I don't know if you can see it there, where it slowly goes down and therefore catches on the strike plate, and therefore doesn't open correctly. Now what I'm going to do is take it apart. So we're first going to undo these two screws, this one and this one. I've just undone the screws with a posi drive or Phillips. Now we're going to take this plate off here, and here's the mechanism inside. Now we're just going to try to look and see where the fault is. Now I'm quite surprised that it's practically clear of all grease, which isn't a good thing really. It should have quite a lot of grease because it is a mechanical unit, and I find that unusual, but never mind at the moment. Now let's have a look at this section here. This part here, down here, I'm trying to do it without dropping the camera. It does seem to be out of place. This part here also is not working properly. This here, that basically stops it from moving, but it is actually moving now, which it shouldn't be. This part here is what's called a deadlock, and it's not locking properly. So let's have a look and see what's happening here. Now this part here looks like it's bent, and if you look right down there, that part there seems to be connected. If I move the deadlock, go right down, hopefully get it in focus. That's going across there. But let's have a look on the other side. Let's do the same thing. It doesn't look right straight away. So I'll do that. It's not going into the groove down there. So this mechanism seemed to have been bent or warped in some way. So I'm going to take that apart. First thing we need to do is remove this spring. This holds the mechanism tight, and don't lose it. That's the important part. Here we're going to pull this out here, and there it is there. Alright, move that to one side. I think this is going to be the main problem. You can see it's not lined up properly on these two here, and so that does need to be, but that can make all the difference. So what we need to do is we need to try to bend these back. I've got long nose pliers here. I'm going to bend it in, try to get it square. Now of course if it has bent out severely, it may weaken the metal, and therefore of course won't be able to do what it should do. But at the moment that looks okay. So what I'm going to do is replace this. Put the spring back in, make sure it's up the right way. That's it there. Check to see if it has now. Let me get the camera down and show you in more detail. Alright, that's with the deadlock on, That's in there, and on the other side, that's in there. That's good. That's actually, hopefully, will be working now. All right, I'm just going to put the top back on and make sure what you have here are little arrows that you need to line up. See if we can line it up on one hand. There you go. And that then needs to slide in here. The right way around, of course. Alright. Okay, that looks like okay. I'm just going to put those screws in. And make sure that this back plate fits into there and the other side, and then the screws should go in not too much of a problem. Right, that is there. Let me just set subscribe and like. Thank you very much.